Hey guys, what's up? Good morning and good morning from the Himalayas and more precisely Kinnaur in Himachal Pradesh. And hope you are all doing well. My name is Karma and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Himalayan Explorer. So guys, welcome to a new episode of Story of Himalayas that I'm shooting here in the Himalayas. So today in this video I'm going to show you one of the most important agricultural practices here, and that's the ploughing. So right now it's 9 a.m. in the morning and I'm going towards my fields, and with me are these kettles. So yeah, that's all for now, and let's reach our field first and then I will tell you more about ploughing there.
Very nice, enjoy.
So guys, these are the fields that we're gonna plough today, and we'll see you there. So guys, with me is my uncle who is enjoying the ride, and yeah, the churi is also used for riding here. Like when we have to go to the forest, we use them to ride, and also in winters they are used for fetching water and other essential goods. So yeah, and it's so tiring. Oh god. So guys, finally we are in our fields, and before ploughing we have to feed these kettles, and they basically are locally known as churus, and they are from the yak family, and they are used here to plough only, and for the whole summer they remain in the forest, and during the winter they are brought home to plough, and after working for nearly like 1 month or so they are left again in the forest, and they in summer they live in the high altitude forest, and in winter they come to the village. So as you can see, they are eating, and after some time we will start the ploughing. So yeah, and guys, just check how long hairs they have to sustain the extreme harsh temperature of those mountains over there, and they usually remain there in those top mountains, and during this season time, like during the March or April, they are brought home for ploughing. Only specialty of ploughing here is we have an extra person who controls the kettles, and as you can see the rest is all same like we have in other places. And guys, this is the traditional plough made up of wood, and we only use steel here, and you can see the teeth of this is a bit like wide, and it's easy to use, and but a bit hard also, like we have to push from here while ploughing, and this is the part that is put it on the neck of these churus, and then we begin the ploughing, and this rope is tied with this so that it pulls toward this side, and yeah, this is the traditional plough, and if it have lots of advantages, and this part due to its shape is very useful in like uprooting the weeds very effectively. So guys, that's all for now about the plough, and as I told you about it, it's the traditional plough, and in our village we also have the one that we get from the government, like the agricultural department, and that looks a bit different, and it's like light to use but have another functions. And guys, this is the another type of ploughs, and you can check its teeth. It have a sharp edge, and that's why it's not very effective in uprooting the weeds. So yeah, it's similar to the traditional one, only difference is this iron handle, and rest is all same. And again, these are the churus over there. So guys, this is the certified seed that we get from the government to plant in our fields, and this is of pea. And guys, usually we have to irrigate before ploughing, but this time it snows only day before yesterday, so there is enough moisture in the soil, as I'll show you. So there is no need of irrigation, and we will directly start the ploughing here. So guys, it's 12:30 noon and we are still ploughing, and by now we have ploughed nearly 5 or 6 fields, and right now we are here in this field and they are ploughing there. So it usually takes nearly 4 or 5 hours to plough a person's field, and we are ploughing manually using these cutters and the traditional plough. So now I'll show you what we do after ploughing, and you can see the difference of ploughing. Like, this is the ploughed land and this is the unploughed land. And so yeah, now we will see what's next after ploughing. After ploughing, this is the kind of land we get, all like unequal distributed. So we make use of this instrument to make it like this, all leveled, and with this is the main water channel, and water goes from here and it is distributed to each lane later. So guys, it's 2:30 p.m. and it's been like 4 hours since we went to our fields and did the ploughing. So now, yeah, we are back to our village. So now it's all, we are all free. So we will go back and have some rest.
No understanding.
Good morning guys. So yesterday we did the manual ploughing using our kettles and the traditional plough. But with developments in science and technology and new innovations, life over here is also getting easier. So as a result, now more people are buying the machines used for ploughing. So today I'll show you the ploughing using the machines. So yeah, these machines are bought from the market, and later they get the government subsidy on it. So yeah, I'll show you later about those machines, and it have its own features and advantages. So yeah, and currently I'm in my field here, over here, just opposite to my village, and we have some small plants here which we have to uproot from here and plant it in our village. And we also have bought some plants from there also. So yeah, we're gonna plant those here, and then after some time we will do the ploughing. Guys, these are the plants that we bought from our village over there, and these two are pear and these four are apricots. So we have this kind of pits here, over there and over there. So we're gonna plant these here, and then there on the downside we have the small trees of apples also. So we're gonna take apples from here and plant it in our village over there. So yeah, let's do it first. So done with uprooting, and now we are getting back to our village to plant these trees. So done with planting and all, and finally we are here for plowing. And today instead of kettles I have this machine to introduce. So guys, this is the Honda GX300 plowing machine. So let's get started. So this have tires, and here we also put the tillers and the jaws of the plow, and these are the gears. This is the first gear and this is second, and this being the neutral, and here is the puller to start, and some switches are also here. So yeah, this being the clutch.
हेलो। पहले ज़माने में हम लोग खेत में जो है गेहूँ बिछाते थे, उसमें इनकम बहुत कम होता था। तो आज के ज़माने में हम लोग ये हरा मटर बीज रहे हैं। ये देखो, इससे हमारे किसानों को जो है थोड़ा इनकम अच्छा हो जाते हैं। और पहले जो है हम लोग चूरू से हल चलाते थे। आज के आधुनिक युग में जो है मशीन निकले हुए हैं, जैसा आप देख पा रहे हैं। इससे जो है किसानों को बहुत ही आसान और जल्दी काम हो जाते हैं। तो आज के युग में जो है हमारे किसानों का दूसरा साथी जो है मशीन है। तो आप देख ही पा रहे हैं, जहाँ पहले 2 घंटे लगते थे एक खेत में, तो वहाँ जो है आज की डेट में मशीन द्वारा आधे घंटे में पूरा काम हो जाता है। धन्यवाद।
창조 빠져만다 어도 배딘지를 봐 되네 내가 달라지오 직장 그런 띵아지한테 가장 띵아지한테 그냥 된지를 라벤나만 막아 봐 당비 사당서에 되네 방아덕 식모발라 셋사조 로티요 다랄라 빠 메르쿠조 되네 빠 식모발라 가져가 당들에 막아 신가로 띵아르자 가르 켄 코라레 사야 어도 많이 직자 그런 당비 사당 직자 막아 되네 게인질레 친원사 빠 창자 다 라로이 라징 로야 되네 빠테네 빠 메메 땡곤란데 군빠 데 데모자야 오 로이와 치틸라 노르니보 라타릴라 냥바 로칸니보 어떡소 어스파티아 데모자이 짱데 되네마 달라 직자 what's 되는 자원도나 다나 골파 직자 메가.
So guys, this was all about our plowing here, and I hope you found something interesting to know about our Himalayan plowing, and also I'm sure you got to know something new about life in Himalayas. So do like and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel, as I'll be putting some new videos with the theme story of Himalayas. So do like and share, and also leave a comment below if you have something to say about our plowing. And thank you very much for watching, and see you soon with a new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.